How to gain followers with Instagram story in 2020. Why you should be using story to grow your page? 1. You have a high chance of going viral. 2. Less competition. And 3. More reach than normal feed posts. And 4. Instagram promote your content to more of your followers, meaning whenever you post story and your followers engage with it, Instagram will start to show them your content on top of their feed. Now you know why you should be using story to grow your page. Let's talk about how you can use story to gain 100 followers a day. Before I do so, let me show you some proof. Now that I've shown you proof that this do work, now I'm going to show you step-by-step ways and how to do so. Let's go. First step is to download a Repost app from your app store. If you have an iPhone, just type in Repost app for Instagram. If you have an iPhone, okay? Repost Instagram. And you can download any one you choose, but I personally like this one. I already have it downloaded, so you can download this one if you want as well. And then open the app and follow the instruction the app give you to save the post from Instagram, right? The second step is to find a 10-second or 15-second video on the export page or on a big page that is relevant to your niche and save it using the Repost app. So let me show you how you do that now. So you're going to look for a viral post. Hold on, let me change over to another account. Okay, so you're going to look for a viral post that is 10 second or 15 second. Okay, so I found one. Once you have found one, what you want to do is to click on this button, click copy link. Alright, once you have done that, the third step is to find 10 hashtags relevant to your niche. Let me show you a tool I use to do so. So you're going to go to your browser and type in all hashtags, right? Click on it. Click on the first one. Now you're gonna wait till the page finish load. You're gonna type in your niche, right? So if you're in the beauty niche, you're gonna type in beauty. If you're in the dog niche, type in dog. If you're in the fitness niche, type in fitness as well. So I'm in the dog niche, and we'll type in dog. And click generate. Wait till it load the tags. Okay, once it have load 30 tags, what you're gonna do now is you're gonna copy only 10, right? You do not want to post 30 tags in your story. It will look nasty and it just looks spammy. Okay, so you want to copy 10. What you can do is scroll down to similar hashtag like dogs, right? And you see the best similar hashtags, that's where you're going to copy 10 of those. Alright, you're going to copy 10 of those. And you're going to open a notepad on your phone. Open a notepad on your phone and you're going to paste it. Alright, and exit out of your notepad. Then what you're going to do is going to open Instagram. And we're going to upload the post that you have saved. Remember that viral 10-second or 15-second video that you download using your Repost app? You're going to upload it now. So you're just going to upload it as a story. Right, here it is. Now if the video is more than 15 seconds, it's going to give you two. It's going to do separate stories. It's going to be 2 story posts at one time. So what you can do is delete one of those by holding down on it, and then it's going to give you an option to delete it. You want to just click delete, right? Then the second step what you're going to do is to click to type in a call to action. Follow us. You're going to click follow us and click this A button here, get it like that. You're going to find somewhere to put this. I'll put it here. Make sure it looks nice. Okay, it's going to, let me put it here. Follow us, good. Alright, then what you want to do is go back to your notepad and you're going to copy those 10 tags that you save in your notepad. Just like that. Then you're going to paste it on your story. You're going to paste it on your story just like that. Then now what you want to do is, so this does look spammy and doesn't look good, you're going to zoom in, pinch it in, my bad. You're going to pinch it in and then you're going to try to hide it just like that. You're just going to push it on the corner, try to hide it. It's completely gone just like that. Now it's still, Instagram's still gonna notice you use hashtags anyway, so it does work. Okay guys, you're gonna click next, you can click share and you're gonna click done, and then that's it guys, you're done. Now you might not get 100 followers in the first try, but just keep doing it till you get the results you want. Okay, thanks for watching my video, I do appreciate it. If you could subscribe to my channel, I will be posting a lot more video and more to grow on Instagram and make money online every Monday and Friday. And hit the like button and share it with kids. See you then.